Finding the logarithm of a number without using a calculator. I'm going to teach you how to find the logarithm of a number using the four-figure table. The logarithm of a number is made up of two parts. The first part is the integer, and the second part is called the decimal part. The integer is the power of 10 when the number is expressed in the standard form. I taught you how to express this number in the standard form, and so our integer here would be when the decimal point is after the first non-zero digit. That means the first digit that is not 0. The first digit in this number here is 1, it is not 0. So the decimal point should be after the first non-zero digit. And so we move this 1, 2. So we write here 2. That's our integer. We've gotten one part in finding the logarithm of this number. The other part is gotten by using the four-figure table. From the name four-figure table, it means you have a table that is made up of digits, 4 digits. These are approximated values. And so we use the four-figure table generally to find logarithms of numbers. We can also use the four-figure table to do some other or to carry out some operations. Let's focus in this question. Let's find the logarithm of this number. Remember, I told you that the logarithm of the number is made up of two parts, the integer and the decimal. So we have the integer already. How do we get these two? We move the decimal point twice such that it is after the first non-zero digit. So to get the other part, how many digits do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will only focus on the first 4 digits, the first 4 significant figures. Because in our four-figure tables, we only have 4 digits there. So 1 is 4.25. The first 4 digits here will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And so the next digit here, 5, is a number that is up to 5. The next digit is up to 5. So we round this up by adding 1 to this. And so approximately this is 184.3. So in our four-figure tables, we will check out for 18 under 4 difference 3. So let's look at our four-figure tables, the logarithm part in our four-figure tables, and then we'll be able to explain this in detail. So look at my four-figure table. This is the logarithm aspect of it. I hope you can see this now. Okay, so in this four-figure table, you observe that you have columns, and then you have the rows. Under this column, you have x. You have several values under x, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on. These are the numbers whose logarithm are given. All that we have here are the logarithm of a number. So, also at this point, the first row here contains numbers from 0 to 9. We also have differences here from 1 to 9, differences. So what we are going to do now, to find the logarithm of, I think the number we have there is 184.3. So we will check for 18, 184.3. We will check for 18. You can see that under our x column here, the first digit here is 10. 2 digits number here from the tens. So we will check for 18 under the column of 4 and then under the column of 3. The column of 3 here in that same line, this is 18 under the column of 4. That's 2648. And then you still trace it down to where you have the differences. Now this difference here will be added. This is add difference. The differences are added to the values that we have here. Don't forget I told you that these are approximated values. The differences are added. So let's check this again. 18 under 4. There are times that you have just 3 digits. Let's say you have 18.4. Then your answer, the logarithm here, will just be 18 under 4. That's all. But in this case, what we have is 18, that's 184.3. So we check for 18 under 4. That is 2648. Then difference 3 is 7. So we add up that difference. This is 5, 5, 6, 2. So we have 2655. 2655, don't forget that. 2655. And so this is what we are going to add up in our, we're going to add that here. We're just going to add that in this value here, 2655. So we write this here. We already have the integer, so the decimal part, 2655. So the logarithm of this number now is 2.2655. And that's how to find the logarithm of a number using the four-figure table. Please click on the subscribe button, click on the share button so that you don't miss any part of my video.